what is the value of x? Given that you have 4 to the power of x minus 2 equals 20, so it equals 40. So from here we have to recall that when we have a to the power of m minus n equals a to the power of m over a to the power of n from the law of indices, applying it to this side, we are going to have 4 to the power of x over 4 to the power of 2 equals 40. Dividing through by 1, so when we cross multiply, we have this to be 4 to the power of x times 1 will be 4 to the power of x equals 4 to the power of 2 times 40. So we have 4 to the power of x equals 4 times, this will be 4 times 40, this will be 160. So from here, let's introduce log to both sides. We have here to be log 4 to the power of x equals log 4 times 160. When we have log, open parenthesis, a times b equals log a plus log b. So this will be log 4 to the power of x equals log 4 plus log 160. So log a to the power of m equals m times log a. So we have x times log 4 equals log 4 plus log 160. So dividing through by the coefficient of x, log 4, dividing through by log 4. So this will cancel out this. We have x equals log 4 plus log 160 over log 4. So from here, we can divide it through by log 4. And the reason is that when we have a plus n over m, we can have this as a over m plus n over m. Since a, n, and m are parameters, so we can have here to be x equals log 4 over log 4 plus log 160 over log 4. So we have x, this log 4 divided by this will be 1 plus log 160 over log 4. So from here again, we can also have 160 as the product of 4 times 40. Supplying it here, we have x 1 plus log 4 times 40 over log 4. X will be 1 plus log 4 over log 4 plus log 40 over log 4. So we have x 1 plus this divided by this will be 1 plus log 40 over log 4. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. X will be 2 plus log. We can have 40 as 4 times 10. From here to, so here will be, open parenthesis, 4 times 10, close the parenthesis, over log 4. So we have x to be 2 plus log 4 plus log 10 over log 4 from here over log 4 from here. So we have x 2. This divided by this will be 1 plus log 10 over log 4. We have x 2 plus 1 will give us 3 plus log 10 over log 4. So when we have 10 to be equals 5 times 2, so we have x 3 plus log 5 times 2 over log 4. X 3 plus log 5 over log 4 plus log 2 over log 4. We have x 3. We have log 2. This will be log 2 to the power of 2 plus log 5 over log 4. X will be 3. This will be log 2. This will be 2 multiplied by log 2. Plus we can have this as log 5 in base 4. So this we cancel out this. We have x 3 plus 1 over 2 plus log 5 in base 4. So x, this will be 2. 2 times 3 will be 6 plus 1 plus log 5 in base 4. X, 6 plus 1 will be 7 over 2 plus log 5 in base 4. So from here, x equals 7 over 2 plus log 5 in base 4. So let us check we have 4 to the power of x minus 2 equals 40. So from here we are going to have 4 to the power of 7 over 2 plus log 5 in base 4 minus 2. Then this is going to give us 40. From here, when we multiply through by 2, we have this as, let's find the LCM. Here will be 2, 7 minus 4. From here, plus log 5 in base 4. Then it's going to give us 40. Here will be 4 to the power of 3 over 2 plus log 5 in base 4. It's going to give us 40. This here will be 4 to the power of 3 over 2 times 4 to the power of log 5 in base 4. It's going to give us 40. This one here will give us 8. This will give us 5 equals 40. 40 equals 40. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. Bye-bye.